In Sibelius, the term dynamics is used to mean both text instructions and hairpins. Sibelius will play back dynamics when they are added to a score. If we click on text, we can open up the Styles gallery. The gallery allows you to scroll up and down the list. The first category, Used, shows text styles that are already in use in the current score. The next and more important category is Common, which contains a preset selection of the text styles you will need to use most often. Let's create a text dynamic at the beginning of our example score. First, I'm going to select the pickup note in measure 4 of the trumpet staff because this is where I want my dynamic to start. From the Styles gallery, I'll choose Expression from the Common category. A cursor will now appear below the first note, and now I can hold down Control and type an F. Holding down the Control button tells Sibelius to write the letters in the font used for dynamics. You could also right-click on the cursor to bring up a menu of useful dynamics to select from. Now let's look at hairpins. Hairpins are found by clicking on the Notations tab, then Lines. This will open up a menu of line markings. Just like with the Dynamics menu, you have a Used category, which again shows you the line markings already in use in the current score. The Common category underneath it is where you will find the hairpins. Let's add a crescendo to measure 5. I can select the half note, then choose a crescendo. A hairpin will appear with a blue box at the open end. You can take your mouse and drag the box to extend the hairpin, or you can use the space bar to extend the hairpin one note at a time. If you happen to go too far, Shift spacebar will shorten the hairpin again one note at a time. You can also use shortcuts for hairpins, allowing you to add these dynamic markings very quickly. For example, if I know I want a hairpin to last an entire measure, I can select the measure by clicking on the white space anywhere in the measure. To add a crescendo, I type H, or to add a decrescendo, I type Shift H.